So in this video, we're going to go over exactly how you can get your YouTube API details. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to go and open a browser, and then you want to visit the address console.developers.google.com, and then you need to log in. If you're still already logged in from a previous session on the correct account, then that's good. Now, what you want to do once you've opened this is go to Enable APIs and Services. So you click there. And now here, what we do is we type in YouTube, and we want the Data API version 3. So we click that. And then it will come up with, on mine it says manage, and it's all because it's already enabled. Yours will probably say enable. So click the enable, or whatever the button's called to enable it. And then you'll be taken to a screen like this. Now, what you want to do now is you want to go over to credentials, so click credentials, and then you want to create credentials in APIs and services. So we want to we want to click here, create credentials. Now what we need is a OAuth client ID, so we click that. And we pick other, and then you can name your project here something that will be familiar to you. You can call it whatever. Click create, and then you'll be taken to a screen like this. Now, copy your client ID and your secret, and then read what it says there. So it's limited to 100 sensitive logins until the OAuth screen is published. Okay, so let's click on OAuth screen publish, see what it's on about. The OAuth screen is actually the consent screen that you go to get your authorization key. So what we'll do now is we've got live events by there. Let's just take a look. Okay. Okay, and then we'll click save. Okay, so now we've got the credentials here. What we'll also do is we'll go back to create credentials, and then we'll click API key, because we also need an API key. Okay, so you copy that as well. So make sure you copy these into a notepad somewhere so we can use it in the software a bit later on. So that's how you get your credentials. Now on this, obviously you can only see the secret ID, but if you actually click here, you'll be able to see you can only see the client ID, but if you actually click here, it'll bring up a box and it'll show you the secret ID as well. So copy the client ID, the secret ID, and the API key, and make sure you note which ones are which, because you don't want to be typing the wrong ones into the wrong boxes. So that is it. That is as easy as that on how it is to create your credentials. Thank you for watching the video. If you've got any questions, please don't hesitate to submit a ticket at the client area.